Hi, Janet. Thanks for being on time.
Of course.
Let's start with talking about your current project. How's that new log aggregation system going?
It's going well. I've got what I think is a good design for it. It's serverless, so it's scalable and yet easy to maintain. Just putting together existing systems, so it should be pretty low risk.
That's what I like to hear. Let me check the project schedule. Yep, looks like that's right on track. Would you like to go through that design now? I'm happy to provide some early feedback if it's helpful, and I've got some time.
Not quite ready for that yet, but you're welcome to sit in on the design review. I've got that scheduled for Friday.
Cool, looking forward to it. Is anything blocking you or standing in your way?
Well, not yet. Once we try to procure the hardware for the system, though, I'll probably need your help in pushing the request through.
Okay, just let me know when you're at that stage and I'll do what I can to expedite it. So your current tasks seem under control?
Yeah, all good for now.
Great. Let's check in on your performance goals from your last review. Don't want to put that off. Let's see, there's an explicit goal to deliver this log aggregation system by May 31st. Seems you're still on track for that, right?
Well, the hard part of actually building and launching it is still ahead of us. But for now, I can still commit to that. Yeah.
All right, looking at your other goals for later in the year, I think they all still make sense as well. If the company's priorities change, though, we can take another look at them as appropriate. All right, we've got all the project stuff behind us here. Let's talk about your own goals and how we're doing there.
Okay, well, I think this project is going to be a good opportunity to demonstrate some system architecture and design skills. You did say that would be important for a promotion later on.
Definitely. Part of the promotion criteria is demonstrating an ability to design entire systems. We assigned this task to you in order to give you a shot at it. No pressure or anything.
Yeah. But no, I do appreciate the opportunity. And it's been an interesting problem to solve, in all honesty.
Just remember, this is your first design project, so be open to feedback. Again, I'm happy to do an early review of your design if you'd like help refining it before you present it to others. I'm here to help.
I appreciate that, thanks. Yeah, I'll shoot you a copy of what I have once I'm done writing it up tomorrow.
Excellent. From what you said, it sounds pretty solid, but I can't help anticipate questions you may be asked about it at least. It's awesome that you're delivering this on time and that you've taken on this challenge, so thank you for keeping this project moving forward. Great job so far.
Thank you. That's good to hear.
I am, however, concerned that you may be working in a vacuum on this. I understand you want to use this as an opportunity to prove your own ability to design systems, but even the principal engineers collaborate with others during the design phase. Don't be afraid to seek guidance or opinions from the rest of the team if they're willing to offer them. Getting early feedback from them in private will be better than if they're seeing it for the first time in a big design review meeting.
Yeah, you're right. I tend to be a lone wolf, and that came up in my last performance review as well. Maybe I'll ask Bob for some early feedback. I mean, he's the most experienced person on the team, so...
Cool, I think that will help ensure this goes well and reflect well upon you later on. Doesn't have to be Bob. Any early buy-in from the team you can get will be valuable.
Yeah, that's good advice.
Okay, well that's the sort of one-on-one I like. Everything's on track, your performance goals are looking good, and we're working toward your career goals. You're doing great, and I think you're on a good path. As always, I'll wrap up asking if you have any feedback for me. How can I be a better manager for you and the team?
Well, that working in a vacuum thing, it might apply to you as well. I mean, the team hasn't seen much of you lately outside of these one-on-one meetings.
Oh gosh, you're totally right. My schedule has really been getting away from me lately. I'm going to start saying no more often to meetings I don't really need to be in and use that time to hang out with the team some more. Thanks for pointing that out.
Feedback is fuel, right?
I can't stand that saying, but yeah, it's true. Anything else I can help you out with?
Nope, good for now. Watch for a copy of that design document, and I'll run it by some folks on the team as well.
Looking forward to it. Thanks for your hard work.
Thanks. See ya.